Oh my god, guys, I think we're about to unlock Mistfall. I was told that Grandma Rose is the one who gives me the quest, and I think it's true because I just got level 12 and I am so excited, so I thought I would bring you guys here. Young miss, won't you help an old lady with her troubles? Yeah, sure. I'm positively sick with worry. My granddaughter... Sorry, I'm gonna read in my head because I want to do this. Yes! And the little... Oh no, it's her horse. Her horse came back without her. Oh no, now we're gonna have to go and make sure she's alright. But like, we might not exactly finish it as soon as we get there. I might want to look around. Watch out, horse on the loose. Goodness gracious. Okay, we need to talk to her again. Yes. So, I'm so excited. I'm gonna die from excitement, but I'm gonna try not to do that because that wouldn't be too fun. I don't think. Yeah, it just doesn't seem like my stuff. And by the way, people, my horse leveled up to level 12. It was so hard. I had to do all of my races to do that. All of them. So I'm not... Ride your horse along. Okay. Now we need to just walk near the horse to calm him down. Oh no, the horse is running away. We need to chase him. Oh look, the Fingers Championship starts in 45 minutes. Ugh, I can't do that. I'm gonna have to go places. Yay. Ah, that horse is fast. I'm kidding. It's not too fast. I can beat it. Come on, boy. I don't actually really know where the horse is going. Is it going the right way? Yeah, I guess it is, because it's turning itself around here. Oh my god! Slow down, horse! Whoa, I just fell down a mountain. I didn't actually think I could do that. Guys, I am absolutely positive we're unlocking Mistfall. Guys, this is like, so fun. Oh, this horse is just gonna run in circles until we can catch up. Ugh! Come on, cut corners. We need to fall down a mountain again. I don't like to fall down mountains. There are some things that I just don't like to do, and falling down mountains is one of them. Ugh, and now I missed the horse. Like, I fell down a mountain and I missed the horse. Ugh! Stop! Come on! Come on, boy! Get along! If y'all didn't know, that's what I say to get my horse to go faster. Yeah. By the way, I was kind of joking the other day when I said I could climb Mount Everest. I saw Rose. P.S. Like, Karen, if I ever do meet you in the videos ever again, or, sorry, if that sounded, no. If you ever do subscribe and you see this, I really hope I can see you in the game sometime, because if y'all didn't know, Karen is actually Karen Lightning Hoof. I'll show you after. They were the first person I ever actually had a chat conversation with. Back when I was a newbie Star Rider. Helen Opal rode the newbie Star Rider. Okay, now we're gonna have to go places. Oh, do we have to ride that horse? I don't want to ride that horse. It's too small. Unless I can get that horse. Yeah, so we're gonna pause the video, and as soon as I get near it, I promise I'll invite you back. See you in a sec. Alright. We're here. I'm turning on the music because it's gonna be amazing. It's new, guys. You can't hear it, but it's new. It's magical. Yay! We unlocked it. Well, I need to turn the music down a bit because now I can't hear myself. There we go. Maybe a bit. Yes. It's too low. There we go. I was gonna do like jumping today, but then I unlocked this and like people I can it's Mistfall people. I've never seen this. Wow, it's a beautiful color. Ah, it's got these poles on the ground. I love the poles. They're trot poles. Oh, come on. I've got to go faster than a trot. I can't. I really like Dundle because it sells a lot of horses. Please just make this quest quick. I don't want to do the quest anymore. I want to go visit Dundle. I just want to do Dundle. Okay, hello? Okay, yeah, sorry person. I've started building up my ooh, look, oh, that's not trot poles. These are trot poles. Oh, that's a counter, whoops. Okay, so he kinda did it. Oh well, I'm just gonna canter over here. Slow gallop, who cares? I'm too, like... He keeps putting his foot down on the ground. So yeah, we're heading to Dundle, because like, gonna fall, Actually, I might as well do that quest. I'm sorry. Yeah, so we're here. It looks really pretty. I really like it. Ah, wow. There's a bench, and it looks beautiful. Ah, jump! Easy. Whoa. I didn't even read that. Whoops, that was bunch. Oh no, are we about... Oh great, it's the wolves again. Oh, this one's hurt. Aww. Aww. Stress Stable is like so... They're the type of thing that like... They think that wolves are evil. They're not. They won't hurt you people. Don't hurt the wolves. They won't do anything to you. Easy. Ugh. Great. I'm gonna stop recording for a second and I'll click play once I'm in Dundle, done doing these quests. See you in a sec. Don't turn off this video. It's about to get a lot more interesting. Okay guys, already I actually have this thing of sticky tack. You put it on the wall. If you're not aware, you put it on the wall and then things stick to it. It's really old. I've had it for a while, but it is like perfect for stress, for like you know, there's those things that you squish when you're stressed or something. It's not that I'm stressed, but I'm excited, so I just kind of put it next to my computer, which is kind of warm. Leave it there for like 2 seconds, and then it's nice and squishy, and it's really nice and fun to play with. So yeah, just suggesting if you're ever, you know, wondering. Oh yeah, and I think I have, is this? I just needed to check this because something caught my eye in my backpack. Oh, here it is. Oh yeah, that's the purchase papers I got for Wish Brother. So yeah, we have not actually successfully came into Dundle yet. I actually don't really know where the stable is. I'm kind of lost. Welcome. This is what it looks like when I'm lost. I like to fall off of cliffs when I'm lost. Oh no. See, now we fall into a puddle. Just perfect timing. Thanks, puddle. And then we forget about the bridge. And then we find the bridge. I'm gonna stop, because I think you'll get it. But yeah, I actually saw there's a really nice cross-country thing over out there. So yeah, I'll actually check that out. And level 13, there's a horse at level 13. There is, you unlock Golden Hills Valley here. And there's a horse that looks exactly like my horse called the horse I ride copper that I really want. Oh, look, it's a nice little pasture. Aw, how cute. I think next to the stable here at Dundle, there's a nice little paddock, which is why I like Dundle so much. One of the reasons. I've got a lot of them, as you probably know. Yeah, this is it. People, it's the place. Yay, see, this is the little stable. I'm gonna say hi to that person. Hi. I think they're AFK, aka also known as away from keyboard. Hello. Hello. I'm gonna search for somebody who doesn't look AFK. Oh, wait, that person, wait, hello. Look, it's kind of a nice stable, but I kind of want to stick with my home stable. Anywho, this is where all the horses are, and I'm so excited because they have so many horses. Oh, wow, there's so many fords. I might not be saying that right. And the Clydesdales. I love the Clydesdales. And then there's that horse. And yes, I finally found it. Canamerica. Okay. That's a horse I kind of want to get as a pony one day, but it's not going to be my first pony. In like, I don't know how many weeks. In 3 weeks, I'll be able to buy a pony. I know realistically, in 2 weeks I'll be able to buy a pony, but I'm going to wait 3 weeks because I want to braid its mane on camera as well. I need to find somebody who isn't AFK. Oh, look. No, come back. Aw, that was sad. Aw, now they're going in the stable. Whoa. Yeah, so we're going to see if the horse can actually move around inside the paddock, or if they just kind of sit there. Wow. So we're going to I might eventually change my home stable to here. Looks kind of cool. Yeah. Actually, yeah. So let's just say in 3 weeks there's going to be a YouTube video that you really want to watch. It's going to be, I'm going to not only buy a pony, but I'm also going to braid her mane on camera, and I'm going to buy a pet, and if I have any star coins left over, I'm going to buy a house here. I'm going to change my home stable. So yes, we're going to take, I should probably not be doing this on camera, because, like, time is of the essence, but, who cares? Just getting my horse all unpacked. There we go. I wonder if you can exit this place without your horse. Hopefully, because I think it's supposed to be... Yes, so we will have many more adventures later. Yeah, so it's totally like a little pasture, or whatever you want it to. I thought that gate kind of just closed with my horse inside, and I was like, excuse me? Kind of need that horse. I kind of really need that horse, or else I can never get into my home stable again. I need to purchase the leading thing. What I don't get about Star Stable is some of the things you need to buy. Like, you need to buy a club, which I kind of get, because, like, in real life you would have to pay a bit of money for the club, but it's a lot of money for a club. It's 50 star coins. Haha, so yeah, I think the first horse that we're ever gonna buy here is gonna be that little pony, or this little pony. Aw, this one's cute too. Aw. Okay, probably this pony, because I've heard those two ponies both have really collected canters, which I really love the look of. But I think that I like this one more, because I have a name. It's gonna be Jade. And by the way, guys, quickly, see you guys next time. Bye if I get carried away, but I know I didn't end the video correctly last